Okay, well, I'm going to test out this soft wash machine yet again. This time I'm going to use SH, a good amount of SH, just to see what it would do. I know this is about 5 years old, this concrete, and I know it's not like moldy or anything, but I'm not sure what to expect out of a soft wash. So hoping to get this whiter. I'm going to use a little soap too, lemon smells. Then also I'm thinking about going along that not gutter, but whatever, gutter, runway, and seeing if I can whiten that up. The entire neighborhood is actually pretty dark. Let's see if we can whiten that up any. I'll do a before and after here, see what happens. Alright, I didn't carry my camera around the whole way, but I got all of that and all of that drainage area gutter thing. Even that and my trash cans. Lots of flies around those trash cans, so I'm just letting this sit. It smells like chlorine. I didn't use a whole lot of soap. So it's not super sudsy and all that. I might just let the chlorine just sit on all this stuff. Why rinse it, you know? I want to rinse the soap off, but I don't care about the chlorine that much. Alright, I'm also going to rinse the hose off because driving around in chlorine.